Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new LETTON Soulmate Mini L15 gaming headset. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, very cool. Never have too many gaming headsets. That's how it looks right out of the box. Very nice. Probably that'll be my size. We get instruction manual, wireless adapter, Type-C to USB. This is the microphone for it. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug in the microphone. All right, just like that. So one thing that I did want to point out about it, it does have a 30-hour battery built into it. So that should get you more than enough gaming on there. So what's cool is it actually works with a wide range of devices. So like I said, we'll test it out with the Switch. We'll test it out with the PS4. You can use it on your computer. It does work with Xbox, but you do have to have the auxiliary option on there in order for it to work. Let's just try it on real quick. Feels very comfy right here on the ears. I just realized that it literally matches my Switch, so that'll be cool. We'll go ahead and hook it with this. And the one thing that I thought was cool is if you actually use this feature and you dock it, you can still use it on here as well. So we'll go ahead and connect it to the Switch. All right, so then once you plug it into here, it'll start beeping here blue, and then we'll go ahead and turn it on there. We'll put them on. So hold the on button right here, and you'll hear it say powered on. It should automatically detect it, and it'll have a solid blue light like it does now. If it doesn't, you just hold this button for 3 seconds and it'll find it. And now I can perfectly hear on here, and the quality is actually really good. I'm gonna put it all the way up to see if we can hear it. But the padding is really nice, actually. Yep. Really, really nice headset. And the other cool thing is you can hook it up to like your phone, you can hook it up to your PC. So it doesn't just have to be the Switch, but I did like that this was like a plug and play feature for the Switch. You just literally plugged it in and then it auto detected these and then you were good to go. And like the mic sits perfectly right here. Really, really cool headset. And then if you do want to connect it to, like I said, your phone or a tablet, it'll literally show up on there. So we'll go ahead and hit connect on here through my iPad. And it just said connected. So we'll just put something on YouTube real quick just to show that it is connected. And as you can see, I can literally control it right from here. Hit next. Well, that'll actually control the volume on there. Change the song. So if you guys are looking for a new gaming headset, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.